guys, SUYOON here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing Air Jordan 1 Satin. This Air Jordan 1 released last Saturday on the 17th. It was pretty exclusive and there was a lot of hype around it given the colorway that it was dropping. It was black toe, so it has a color of black, red, and white. Last time it dropped, it was pretty much the leather all around, but this time they have the satin on the back heel. I'm curious to see how the back satin actually feels like, so it's gonna be interesting. Back in 2016, they dropped in the men's size as well, but this time around they changed it up and released this as a women's size. So those of us who were trying to get this sneaker, we had to do the conversion with the women's to men's size. Just because this is the women's size doesn't mean that the male size wasn't available. The size range is pretty wide, so if you knew the conversion from female to male sneaker size, which is like size and a half up, you just kind of bump your size up and still able to get the women's size in male size, right? So what I ended up doing is I got the size in 10.5, which translate to size 9 for the male. So for Jordan, I wear size 9. That's my true to size. So again, I was able to get one. This time around, it was pretty difficult. It was pretty low in stock as opposed to what was been forecasted. So a lot of people got L's through Sneaker app. A lot of people got L's through Foot Locker, and including myself. But as you could see from this box, I pulled through with the Foot District. This was pretty much the sign up through Foot District site. You fill out your information, you follow Foot District, and you filled out the information, and then they raffle through and draw your name. Even though I enter a lot of raffles to Foot District, I never hit it. So I actually, even though I put it in the raffle, I didn't have much high hope with it. I went to sleep and around 3 a.m. I got an email, which I saw after the fact when I woke up around 9 o'clock. And at first I didn't believe it. It was very generic email. You click the link and you pretty much kind of check out the sneaker. So I quickly filled out information, submitted my order, did a payment through PayPal, and being Foot District being a European company, I had to pay the price in euro. The conversion wasn't in my favor this time around, so I did end up paying about 190 bucks when the retail is 160. But given that this was pretty exclusive, I'm okay with paying a $30 extra to get this Jordan 1. A funny story with the Foot District, after I put in the order, I did not get any email confirmation or shipping information. So towards Wednesday, I started to get nervous. Again, I put in my payment on Saturday morning, and then come around Wednesday, I still didn't get any information. So I was getting very nervous. I went online to Foot District, I saw my order, and it actually said out of stock. So initially I thought I got an L on this. Even though I put the payments through because I had no information coming through, I thought my order was going to get canceled. But come around Thursday, they finally put the order through and provided me with the shipping information through DHL. And then with DHL, it came in 2 days, so it was quick delivery. I did have to sign for it, so I had to make sure I was home, but that's alright. I got the sneaker, right? That being said, let's unbox this and see how this looks. I'll slide down again. Whoops. Pretty classic box. Nike with the black, red. Nothing really different with the box per se. Everything all around is standard sizing. Uh-oh. I already saw something that I'm not gonna be happy about. Let's see. Here's the Jordan Black Toe Satin. I peeked at the sizing already and I think I got a wrong size. The box showed 7.5. I must have done the conversion wrong. Oh boy. So I must have put in 7.5, so this can't be right. I failed. Oh my god. I thought I put in the sizing correctly. I knew it was women's size, but even though it's women's size, I must have put it in as 9, which is why it came in 7.5. Again, size and a half down. But it's okay. Let's review for the camera. Another thing that I found was they gave me 2 stickers, one in black, one in white, and black writing and white writing. But here we are. If you ever bought Jordan 1, you know they come on unlaced, pretty tongue flap like this way. And the black toe is black in the front with the white, and then the back here is satin. I'm not sure if I like this. It's like a plastic feeling on the Air Jordan logo up top here. Wish there was something different other than this plastic feeling. But the back satin is not as bad as I expected it. Definitely would have preferred if it was leather, but I'm okay with this. I could live with this. At least it's the red that's satin and not the black or the white area where it is pretty much high quality leather here. On the other side is the same thing, and the inside with the Nike Air insole and then the black lace. It came with the black lace. There's no other lace that I see in the box, so black lace and white tongue. Again, it's still, you can't go wrong with this. Black and red is awesome color. This is one of the classic colorways, so this definitely gonna be one of the grail. Unfortunately, I don't have anyone that wears size 7.5, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. Now, I can't wear it, my wife cannot wear it, so what a fail. But it's Jordan 1, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to resell this. I think that's the only option that I have. I don't even know what to do with this. But I can't even put this on to show you guys on feet. I'm definitely going to have to do more close look photo for you guys and video. But sorry guys, this time around there's no on feet. I'm not going to be able to squeeze into this. That being said, let's wrap it up. Jordan 1, there's nothing more to see. You guys know what this is. You guys know how this looks. Black toe, black, red, and white. Classic.